Welcome. Today, we are going step by step to get the Omniver Quantum Decoder running directly on your local machine. This project is an open-source, AI-powered quantum computing game, and it uses Google's Gemini AI to drive the core logic. Before we start, you need 3 things ready to go: Node.js installed on your system, a code editor of your choice, and an active Google account. With just those 3 basic tools, you have everything necessary to turn your standard computer into a local development server capable of running complex AI web applications. Step 1 is getting the files. Head over to the project's GitHub repository and locate the download section near the top of the page. Click the green Code drop-down button. From here, you can either copy the clone URL if you use Git, or simply download the zip file to your hard drive. Once it downloads, extract the files and open the Omniver Quantum Decoder folder inside your preferred code editor. A quick check to avoid errors later: open a terminal and type Node-V. If you see a version number return, your Node.js installation is active. Next, ensure your terminal is pointed specifically inside the project folder directory. Type npm install and hit enter to begin downloading the project dependencies. Give it a few moments to process. It will communicate with the package registry and eventually display a success message confirming the packages were added. This installation step is necessary because it downloads all the pre-built external code libraries the application relies on to function. Doing this now prevents missing module errors when we launch. Now that the codebase is prepared, we need to connect the application to its AI brain via the Gemini API. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google AI Studio dashboard. Click the Get API key button, generate a new key specifically for this project, and copy that string of text securely to your clipboard. Switch back to your code editor and look at the project's file tree. In the root directory, you will see an existing file named .env.example. You need to duplicate or rename this specific file. Make sure the new file is named exactly .env.local. Watch out for hidden extensions. If your computer names it .local.txt, the app will not recognize it. Open .env.local and paste your copied API key directly after the Gemini API key equals text. Double-check your formatting. There must be absolutely no spaces between the equal sign and the start of your API key. This .env.local file acts as the secure, hidden bridge between your local computer and Google's AI. Formatting it perfectly is the single most important step to prevent a boot failure. With the API linked, return to the terminal window inside your code editor. Type the final execution command, npm run dev. Hit enter. Watch the terminal output until it generates a local URL, typically starting with localhost. The appearance of this localhost link means the local development server has successfully compiled the codebase, authenticated the API, and is now actively hosting the game. Click the localhost link and confirm that the Omniver Quantum Decoder interface is now displaying in your web browser. If you see it, you've successfully installed the dependencies, linked a live AI model, and launched your local server. From here, your immediate next step could be exploring the codebase. Try tweaking the AI prompts within the code to change the rules of the quantum game itself. Because this repository already includes the necessary Netlify configuration files, your local project is perfectly primed for a free public web deployment. We'll cover how to push it live in the next tutorial.